The formula that turns should I expand into a clear yes or no. See, some dentists, they guess when it's time to add operatories. They ask questions like, should I add 3 more operatories? Now that feels like a reasonable question to ask, but it's actually a hard one to answer. See, there's too many subjective variables in the mix, and most of what you have to go on is theory rather than anything measurable. Guessing on a $120,000 decision is stressful. So instead of guessing, let's break it down into some hard numbers. Let's start with some assumptions. Start with the assumption that you're going to add 3 operatories and each room costs about $40,000. Once you account for the chair, the light, the delivery unit, computers, x-ray unit, smaller equipment, and supplies. Those 3 rooms come to $120,000. Let's also assume that the bank finances this over 5 years, 6.5% interest. That's a monthly payment of about $2,400. The additional rooms will also need staff, 1 assistant and 1 hygienist, at an estimated cost of $7,500 a month in payroll. Added up, and the new monthly cost of the expansion is about $10,000. Here's the part most people skip. That cost has to come out of profit, not just production. If your office runs at 75% overhead, multiply the monthly cost by 4 to find the production needed to cover it. So 10,000 times 4, that comes out to roughly $40,000. Now, the question isn't, should I add 3 more operatories anymore? It's, can the office produce more than $40,000 if 3 rooms are added? That's a question you and your staff can actually measure. Let's take it one step further. Assume the hygiene room can produce $18,000 a month on its own. That leaves $22,000 that needs to come from the other 2 rooms to make the expansion worthwhile. The question becomes, can the existing doctors or doctor produce the $22,000 a month with 2 more rooms and 1 more assistant? If the office is open 20 days a month, that's $1,100 a day in additional restorative production. Ask your scheduling staff if they can realistically book an extra $1,100 a day. They're the ones who know how far out patients are getting scheduled and how often they have to turn people away for lack of space. They'll have a better read on this than any spreadsheet. The doctors, they need to be confident that they can actually work the extra rooms into their day too. 1 room could be for same-day treatment, the other for overflow when the schedule backs up. Can the same-day column generate that $1,100 a day in production minimum? It has to do more than that to be profitable. That's the kind of specific question that actually leads to a decision. Compare, should I add 3 more operatories for $120,000 to, can we fill a hygiene column and produce $1,100 a day in restorative production with 3 new rooms? See, that second version, that second question, that still requires a judgment call. But it's a judgment call that's grounded in numbers that you can verify, it's not a guess. So, before you have your next expansion conversation, don't ask vague questions. Sit down with your staff, run your own numbers, and turn the decision to something you can actually measure. Good luck out there.